Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Mylez. For today's video, let's cook Korean Gamjatang style pork rib with bean sprouts stew. And instead of using gamja or potato, we'll be using the bean sprouts. While preparing other ingredients, boil the pork ribs with radish, onion, and garlic until the meat becomes tender. While waiting, this is how I prepare the bean sprouts. I cut the little threads off the sprouts before washing them. Now let's prepare the other ingredients. We have soy sauce, sugar, ginger, garlic, soybean paste, chili paste, and perilla oil. This is so easy because we're just going to mix all the ingredients. So remember, we have the kanjang or soy sauce. We have the garlic, which is manil in Korean. Ginger is senggang. The doenjang is the soybean paste, and this one is gochujang or chili paste. Then we have the perilla oil, which is called 들기름 in Korean. And the last one is sugar or soltang in Korean. Just mix thoroughly, and we're going to use the mixture later. Now prepare the boiled pork ribs in a pan, and then put the bean sprouts on top of the pork ribs. Let's add some sesame leaves to make this stew tastier. Next is pour in the broth from the boiled pork ribs. All set! And now we're going to take the mixed ingredients and spread on top of the sprouts. Here we go! Just cover the pan until the broth boils. We are almost done. And by the way guys, Gamjatang is one of the favorite dishes that Koreans order outside. And this is my version of not using potato but using bean sprouts. And this is the not so spicy version of Gamjatang. And of course, again, our meal will not be complete without kimchi. So we have here the cabbage kimchi and the green onion kimchi. This pork ribs with bean sprouts stew is not spicy. The meat is so tender. This is not salty, and the taste is just right. Thanks for watching!